Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the KuCoin app for beginners. First, download the KuCoin app from your device's app store. Next, create your account using either your email address or phone number. To unlock all features and ensure security, you will need to complete identity verification, often called KYC, by uploading a photo of your ID and taking a selfie. Once your account is set up, you'll need to add funds. You can deposit existing cryptocurrency from another wallet by selecting the deposit option and choosing the correct network. Alternatively, buy crypto directly using a credit or debit card through the fast trade or third-party options. For some regions, peer-to-peer or P2P, trading allows you to buy crypto with local currency. To start trading, tap the Trade section in the app. Here, you'll choose a trading pair such as BTC versus USD. For beginners, a market order is the easiest way to buy or sell instantly at the current best available price. Simply enter the amount you wish to trade, and the system will execute your order immediately. Always keep an eye on your investments by checking the Assets section, which shows your portfolio. For enhanced security, enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using Google Authenticator or SMS. When you're ready to withdraw funds, transfer them from your trading account to your main account, then select Withdraw and input the external wallet address.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.